So are nurses really that important? This is my honest take on it. I'm a physician assistant by profession, and my name is Osukuto Emmanuel. You see, most people think that nurses are not that important in a healthcare setting, but I don't agree with that. No, nurses are very, very crucial, and in fact, I can say that they are the backbone of medical care. You just let me give you an instance in the emergency setting. When a patient is being rushed immediately to the emergency ward, the first people to take care of the patient are the nurses. They begin checking the vitals like the temperature, the blood pressure, the blood sugar, and others. And based on the results that they get from the vitals, they will begin with an intervention for the patient. And most of the time, the patient will be stabilized before the doctor will come in. You understand? So they will do major part of the work. Relatives will ignore this gesture of the nurses and they will give the glory to the doctor. That doctor, thank you for saving my ward or my relative. No, the nurses did major part of the work before the doctor came in to prescribe medications for the person. And there are even some nurses that, because of their experience working for 10 years, 20 years, they even start certain medications before the doctor will come and continue with the medications. Yes, it happens because they know that that is the medication for that kind of symptom of the person at that point in time. If you are not there, our work would have been very, very difficult. Yes. Sometimes, after attending to a patient, prescribing medications, doing the necessary investigations, we can be overwhelmed as a prescriber and we will make certain kind of mistakes. The nurses will inform our doc, you took this kind of decision. I think that when you did this, it would have helped with the patient. And when you assess what the nurse is saying, you will know that what he or she is saying is right, and you will adjust certain kind of treatment plan or certain kind of investigations that initially we planned of. So thank you, our nurses. You are doing great job. So enough of people saying, thinking that nurses are not that important. They are very, very important in health practice. And in fact, I can see that um, 50 to 60% of the work when it comes to the healthcare work or practice, nurses do that part of the work. They are very, very important. Yeah. So this is what I would say. This is a honest take on me from a prescriber. Yeah, I'm a physician assistant by profession.